I'm Dr. Franklin Cooper with an important public health announcement from Dog and Pony DC's Health Emergency Action Team. An outbreak of C.F.S, Cincinnati Fringe Syndrome, has been reported in Washington, D.C. The first outbreak was recorded in 2003 in the Over-the-Rhine neighborhood of Cincinnati, Ohio. There has been a resurgence every summer. Numerous reports have confirmed the following symptoms of C.F.S, assuming you'll have great audiences wherever you go. Expecting great resources wherever you go. Feeling like everything you do is as successful as the 10th annual Cincinnati Fringe Festival. C.F.S is a highly infectious agent. Please help this infection continue to spread by... Thank you for doing your part.